Hi there, I'm Chef Bugsy and this is Get Veganized. Get Veganized is a vegan baking and cooking channel where I take your carnivorous recipes and turn them into your favorite vegan recipes. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me where you're coming from below. All right, let's get started on today's recipe. Chickpea curry. This is the dish we're going to make today on Get Veganized. All right, let's get started. Okay, today on Get Veganized, we're going to make some chickpea curry. Start out with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, we're going to add a chopped up onion, some orange and red peppers that have been sliced. Now we're going to saute these over medium heat for about 5 minutes. You want to saute this until the onions become translucent and soft. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of curry, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of ketchup. Mix this a little bit up. Now we're going to add the chickpeas, 1 can of chickpeas. Give it a little stir. And 1 can of coconut milk. We stir it around until it thickens up. This really smells good. Alright, this is about the consistency I want. Now I'm going to plate it up and give it a try. Here's the final product. Looks pretty good. Give it a taste. Real good curry flavor. And the creaminess. The creaminess from the coconut milk really sets this dish off. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's dish. Chickpea curry. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Tell me where you're coming from. All right, we'll see you on the next video.
Hey, you!